Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I am Annisa Hamida from grade 12 Social Science major Alaina Islamic Senior High School. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make passport photograph with easiest way. Do you know that we can edit our photo into a passport photograph only for 1 minute? And what sounds great in this tutorial is you don't need no app. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, let's go! First, you need to go to remove.background website. After that, tap upload image. Select a photo and make sure the photo that you choose has appropriate criteria for a passport photograph. After that, click edit, tap color, and you can choose any color that you need as a background of passport photograph. Click the download icon and tap download image, and ta-da! Your photograph is done. You can use it anytime you need it. You can get your passport photograph without going to the photo studio. I hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. Bye!